Welcome to GearFX Driveline. My name is Fuzzy, I'm the general manager here, and in this video we wanted to tell you a little bit about our Ford 9-inch rear gear dyno. We've had this piece of equipment for quite some time. It's very good for diagnosing issues, it's good for breaking in gears, it's good for measuring sound, measuring temperature. So the way this rig works is we have an AC motor that's driving the system. It goes up through a belt and a pulley into a NASCAR 4-speed transmission, which we generally run in 4th gear, which is 1-to-1. 3rd gear position in that transmission actually has an overdrive gear in it, so we can get a little bit more drive shaft speed if we want to. We then have a NASCAR 4-inch Dyno drive shaft that comes into our rear gear. We have one of our NASCAR rental gears installed in here right now. We then have the axles installed in the housing, which takes the power out here to where your wheels and tires would be, but we've got pulleys installed, goes down to a belt that runs into this gigantic DC motor. Our procedure here is to run against the weight of the armature in this DC motor for a set amount of time, and then we will apply current to this DC motor, which drags a load down and makes it pull against the gear even harder, and we'll run that for a certain amount of time. So while all this is going on, we are measuring room sound. We're also measuring sound right here at the ring and pinion, and we're monitoring the temperature. So with all those inputs, we've got 15 years of data that we can go back and look at to compare things to. So it's a really good tool for us, and it's a really good added value to your street gear. If you'd like a little bit more information on the dyno or any of the other products and services that we offer at GearFX Driveline, be sure to go to our website, give us a call, shoot us an email, or watch one of our other videos, follow the links below. We appreciate you watching, and thank you.